name is Narendra Chore and I work for Daifuku Intralogistics India Private Limited, and we contacted A3B around 60 days back, and we finalized this place for our new office, and we were not sure whether they will be able to deliver or complete this office in 50 to 45 days, but we found A3B professionally managed firm. They have done a wonderful job and delivered the things on time. So we really thank you, grateful to them, and we look forward to work with them in the future also. Thank you.
Hi, this is Srinivas Garimella from Daifuku Intralogistics India Private Limited, and today is the first day in this new office which has been done by A3B. I'm particularly happy with the way things panned out, especially considering that we just had a 45 days window. So your team has done a wonderful job in terms of project management, in terms of decor, in terms of design, in terms of execution. Very happy about it. We look forward to working with you once again, and again look forward to our happiness in this office so that we get the growth and profitability from here. And I wish the A3B team all the best.